In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be taking you through how to do a single arm bicep curl on a cable machine. So firstly, all the cable machines are slightly different. I'm going to show you how to do it on this one. This is a Techno Gym one. Firstly, I want you to find the single arm attachment. Notice here at the top of the attachment that I've got this metal part. Now this metal part is what's going to be fastened into the carabiner. So I open up the carabiner, pop this in, I then close the carabiner and I'm ready to go. From here, I want this to be as low as possible. So I'm going to have to pop the pin on the opposite side to the camera. I'm going to bring it down and lock it in. Now, what you also want to make sure of is the weight is set at an appropriate weight for you. So I can bring the pin out, I can put it at the weight that is required for me. This might take some trial and error. If you've never done it before, just put it on the lightest one and work up. If you pop the pin into the top weight, it will typically be the lightest weight. They've always got numbers on them, so they might have two numbers. One might be pounds and one might be kilograms on the other side. But the lower the number, obviously the lower the weight's going to be. So make sure that you start off with a low weight if you've never done it before, and then you can progress up from there. What I want you to do is I want you to grab into the attachment, big grip around. You're going to have your palm facing up. I'm going to stand in a position where I'm slightly off center. This means that the only thing that's in center here with the pulley is my hand and arm. That's the most important thing during the motion when I'm doing my bicep curls. So palm up position, glutes and core squeezed, hip width feet, and then I'm coming up. I'm lengthening the bicep as much as I can at the bottom, so straightening the elbow and squeezing at the top, and then back to lengthening under control and lowering under control. Once you've done your repetitions, you can set the weight down and you are then done with the movement. You can then repeat that on your opposing side, and that is how you do a single arm cable bicep curl.